Hi everyone and welcome to another lookbook of me. So today I will show you a different look with my over-knee boots. I know that so many of you love to see me in over-knee boots and I get so many requests how to wear over-knee boots, how can I style them, and for example, some people ask me, I'm not so secure wearing them in public, so do you have any tips for me? Where can I go with them? So today this will be a lookbook video and some talk about over-knees. So your questions are one of the reasons why I decided to do more of these lookbook videos, but you already saw some of my favorite looks combined with my over-knee boots. So I always try to combine a nice skirt or some kind of dress with it, because I just love the combination of boots and especially high and over-knee boots with some short skirts and short dresses. So I just prefer that you see a little bit of the thigh, so that's why I always wear some black sheer tights below. I don't like it to be opaque because I just love to see the difference much more, and I think sheer tights are better for that reason, but I think opaque tights are much warmer. But the boots are warm enough, that's okay for me even for the fall and winter season. And I have some advices for colors on over-knees, because I would suggest if you're a beginner, just take like gray or light colors, not white, because this is very special. And do not take red over-knees, because everybody will stare at you when you wear red. If you want to have a pair of over-knees that you can choose or wear with every outfit, I would suggest to wear black over-knees because it's so easy to combine, but it's also a little bit more aggressive or strict if you wear black over-knees. For example, this black leather over-knees. So maybe don't take real leather for that reason, but I would suggest start with a gray one. But if you want to wear these kind of boots and want to have this kind of leather look, then I would suggest to wear something nice on the top if you want to look friendly, so like this outfit. Well, let me show you this outfit and then I will explain a little bit more.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
But I also love to wear this kind of bad girl style, this mistress style. So wear as much leather as you can, and maybe you saw this look with this leather dress, and there's also something lace at this dress, but it's mostly leather, and you always look a bit more strict if you wear this combination. But I just wanted to give you some kind of inspiration of how to wear leather boots or even over-knee boots, and now you know what kind of looks I like to wear and how I like to style my over-knee boots. But I'm also thinking again of wearing maybe my gray over-knee boots, because they are much easier to wear in public, because you will get noticed by public if you wear over-knee boots. Even in cities like Berlin, where you can wear whatever you want, but people will definitely look at you when you wear these kind of thigh-high boots. So that's it for today. There will be some more lookbooks very soon, so think about giving me a thumbs up for this video and also leaving me a subscription on my channel. So see you all very soon again. Take care.